Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 25 very useful Siri commands that you should know in 2020. These are commands that are very helpful and will help you perform a lot of tasks easier and of course faster on your iOS 13 device using Siri. So here are 25 Siri commands that every iPhone user should know. The first command is used when sending messages. Now, of course, you probably know you can send a message using Siri without having to type, but what if you type something wrong and you want to change that message or you want to add to that message? You won't get that option there, you just get an option to send or cancel. But what you can do is just go ahead, let's just try to send a message here. Send a message to test.
What do you want to say?
How are you?
Your message.
Change that.
Send it.
Change that.
What do you want to say?
How are you?
Here's your message.
Add to
Ready
it.
to send it?
Add to it.
What else do you want to say in your message?
So as you can see right there, using these two commands, change it and add to it, you can change whatever you have typed on a message. So start the message all over again, or you can add to that message. So if you say like something, you say a phrase and you want to add something else, you just say add it or add something else, and Siri will prompt you with the option to add more text to that message. You can of course have Siri read your notifications. So if you have a ton of notifications, you don't have time to read them, you just want to listen to Siri reading them, all you have to do is read my notifications.
One notification from messages. Test says, test message. That's all.
So just like that, Siri will go ahead and read all the messages, basically all the notifications that you have on the notification center. So no matter what app or what notification it is, Siri will read all the notifications from your notification center. So if you cannot find your AirPods or your Apple Watch or any of your devices, you can have Siri helping you to try to find them. So just launch Siri and say, find my AirPods. So just like that, you can see Siri will offer you to play a sound on the AirPods or any other device. That way you will quicker find them. Of course, you can also do that through the Find My app, but this is a quicker way to do that. Now, one thing Siri can do is show you your QR code for your Twitter account. So you want to share a Twitter account using your QR code, just say Twitter QR code. And as you can see right here, it will show you the QR code of your Twitter profile. Now, of course, you might have a ton of like contacts on your contacts list. And what if you want to know like one information about one of your contacts? Let's say the email of one contact. Of course, Siri can do that for you. So let's just say, what's the email address of test? And it will show you right there the options, and you can see right there you can find out the email address of any of your contacts. Of course, you can have Siri like find a number or a home address, anything you want. And of course, Siri can help you scan QR codes way faster. Just say, scan a QR code. And just like that, it will show you the screen right here, which of course allows you to scan any QR code you want. You will also have the option here to turn on or off the flashlight if you need it. One of the most useful features of Siri is the ability to remember things. So anywhere you're on your device, or like on a website or anywhere, you can just ask Siri to remember stuff. So here I'm on the Apple website. What if I want to visit this website like later? I want to remember something about it. Just open Siri. Remember this. Just like that, you can see Siri will create a reminder for whatever you're doing on your device. Now, when making a phone call with your iPhone, of course, you want to do that hands-free. You can use Siri and use Hey Siri, of course. But what if you want to call a specific contact on a specific way? Let's say on speaker. You can have Siri do that. So let's just say, call test on speaker. And as you can see right there, it's making the call and it's actually making it on the speaker, not on the little speaker right there at the earpiece. Now, of course, you can use Siri to basically change your settings. So what you can do is just say preferences whenever you're on an app. So if we're on Safari, all I gotta say here is preferences. And you can see it will open the settings of that specific app. So if I'd set there settings, it will just open the settings app. But if I say preferences, it will open the settings of that particular app that you're currently on. You can also use Siri to turn on low power mode. So of course you can do that with other stuff as well, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can turn them on or off using Siri all the time. So let's just say low power mode on. As you can see right there, it will turn on low power mode as easy as that. This is really awesome. Or you can check if any of your settings are turned on or off. So is Bluetooth on? You can see right there, you can check that, ask if Bluetooth is on or Wi-Fi or whatever you want, and then it will also give you the option here to turn it off if you want to. So just like that, you will have that little knob to turn it on or off based on the state that that particular setting is on. Now, one of the features that I like the most about Siri is that it allows you to quickly install any app without having to open the App Store and go ahead and search for apps. So let's just say install Netflix. And as you can see right there, it will do everything for you. Now all you gotta do is just tap that little button and you're ready to go. You can go ahead and install the app as easy as that. A very useful feature of Siri is the ability to define any word that you want. So let's just go ahead and try one. Define globe. As you can see right here, it will show you the definition. It will show you everything that you need to know about that particular word. So all you gotta say is just define and then the word that you want to define and you're good to go. Siri will take care of the rest and will show you everything you need to know about that word. Now, Siri will help you also search for any notes that you want. Now, this is really cool. So let's just say find notes about iPhone SE. As you can see right there, it will show me notes that basically have that word in them. So just ask find notes about anything that you want and then it will search the notes app and show you notes that have that word on them. You can also have Siri read emails from a particular contact. So read emails from Pinterest. And as you can see right there, it will display the emails and will start reading all the emails from that contact. Now with iOS 13, Apple has added voice control, which is very useful. Basically, it allows you to control completely your iPhone with just your voice. But to turn it on or off, you will need to go to settings, go to accessibility, go to voice control, and then turn it on. You can do that hands-free, of course, using Siri. Turn on voice control. Just like that, you can see at the top, voice control is now on. You can go ahead and turn on voice control without having to go to settings. Now, if you have an alarm set and you want to change the alarm, you can do that using Siri. So, change my alarm from 8 AM to 9 AM. And just you can see right there, I had the alarm set at 8 AM and Siri just changed that to 9 AM. That's of course very useful. Now, if you have a bunch of alarms, sometimes we have like 10 or more alarms here that we just turn on or off and leave them there. Of course, you can have Siri remove all of them for you. Don't have to do them one by one. So delete all alarms. And just like that, you can go ahead and delete all the alarms without having to go through all of them. Now you can have Siri also calculate any tip you want. So What's the tip for $100? Just you can see right there, it will show you the amount, the percentage, and then your total right here. So amount, percentage of tip 5, 10, or 20, and then it shows you the tip and also the amount that will be all together. Now Siri can also send texts through a third-party app. So let's just try this one. Message test on WhatsApp. Just like that, you can see you can have Siri send a message to someone even using a third-party app like WhatsApp, not iMessage. Of course, Siri can also spell words for you. So let's just try this one. Spell flower. You can see right there, it will do that for you. Very helpful. You need to basically spell any word, Siri can do that for you. You can also have Siri search for things on third-party apps, like search for iOS 13 on YouTube. And as you can see right there, it will search them, and you can tap right there and it will take you right to the app on the third-party app that you're searching on. You can also ask Siri to basically tell you how many days are left until a particular day. So, how many days until Christmas? That's really cool. You can also have Siri control your camera. So you want to quickly go to a particular portion of the camera app, to a particular mode, you can do that using Siri. Take a panel picture. And as you can see, just like that, it will open the camera app directly to the specific mode that you want to. And you can also use Siri to turn on or off the flashlight. Turn on flashlight. And as you can see right there, it has just turned on the flashlight. Turn it off. And as you can see, just like that, it will also turn it off. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 25 Siri commands that I believe every iPhone user should know in 2020. Knowing these commands will help you perform a lot of tasks faster and easier on your iPhone and your iDevice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now we'll see you guys on the next one.